This salad is something phenomenal. It's so irresistible. It's polar night in New York State and I'm still not in tropical, beautiful, vibrant, lively Florida, so I kind of need to compensate for this nuisance somehow, in some way. So today I will be showing you the recipe that always carries me away in the state of this eternal summer, of this liveliness, this energy, this blooming state. So here you can see the whole pile of greens that I will be adding to my salad that we'll be making today. And let me name everything that's in here. I have a bunch of parsley here. I have dandelion greens, they kind of mixed with kale. I have dinosaur kale, there's more of it here. And I also have this coarse dark green spinach that I didn't buy from a box. And actually, side note about the boxed salads, I for some reason stopped liking them as soon as I switched to the whole leaf salads. Here they are. Here are my spinach leaves. It's huge. It's not the baby spinach anymore. So whenever absolutely try to buy salad in form of leaves. It's a little bit more hassle because you need to wash it yourself, but it's so easy. You can either buy vegetable fruit washing solution or you can use baking soda and salt solution. No problem at all. So I'm having these greens and I have half of red onion, and for this salad I will also be adding, since we're in green topic now, I will be adding some microgreens, and these can be anything, whatever you like. And I will be adding mango and avocado. And for the dressings, we will be using apple cider vinegar, we will be using salt and pumpkin seeds, a lot of pumpkin seeds in fact, and also we'll add a little bit of olive oil. I have a huge bottle, let it just sit there. So let us get started with preparing the salad bowl, mixing bowl, and I will be chopping the greens now. And I usually take the whole bunch, cut it in half, then stack it up and continue like this. So this is portioned for one person, so one mango, one avocado, and this much greens. And this salad is amazing, and it can be your main food in a day because again we have a bunch of goodness and nutritional value from pumpkin seeds that are no, if we use conventional nomenclature for proteins, amazing source of proteins and fats, as well as avocado. However, the potency of these greens is amazing. In general, the finer the pieces of salad that you buy at the store, the less nutritional value they have. So all these baby greens or even pre-chopped salads, they're nearly nothing. So I stopped liking them. I don't know how to explain how I started feeling about them, but they no longer appeal me at all. So I always try to buy as many whole leaf greens as possible. And this salad also will be an amazing way to introduce raw dandelion greens into your diet, because it's so easy to eat because of its sweetness, slight oiliness. So this salad produces very nice sensations, warming sensations. And I almost forgot that this salad will be also garnished with the hot pepper on top. So we're adding these into the bowl. A ton of them. So that's how much it makes. And now we'll chop the onion, or you can even add microgreens. I'm back in the fridge. So I'm adding microgreens. I have arugula. I just put this much. And actually I ran out of them, so let's cut the onion. I like onion in half rings. The variability of this recipe is amazing. You can actually add wild rice to it. Actually, again, on the wild rice, the note is that it's not raw, but it's sometimes beneficial to include foods that are not raw. It's not a game of principle. It's a game of what's good for you. So, and rice, some forms of rice are resistant starches, so they don't just become pure sugary energy in your body. They actually can feed the microbiome. So I added the onion into the bowl. Now we need to peel the mango, and I peel it in stages because it's very slippery, and if you take bare mango, it's very hard to slice it or do anything with it. So I usually peel half of it, and then I cut the huge chunk, and then I cut it on board, and then I proceed. So let's grab this much. Mango is very ripe, very good, very tasty. And then the secret to the salad, this will add so much into the dressing. We will need to squeeze the flesh, the juice, the flesh that is right near the pit. So with something that's very hard to shave with a knife, and we actually won't be doing that. We'll take advantage of that, and we'll add this beautiful juice into our salad dressing. Let's try it. I feel like mango is just concentrated sun, and I adore it. It's so good in combination with greens. This salad, after you eat it, you feel so invigorated. You feel so, I don't know, it's just like you're laying under the palm tree somewhere in a beautiful spot and contemplate on how great your life turned out, how blissful you are. Of course, it's all my fantasy, and at the same time, why not use all those anchors, all those associations to visualize, to feel what you're really about, to connect with your true intentions and desires. So I don't judge myself for being overly impressionable, because I use those tools. Same actually works with scents. I really love perfumery, and I have cycles when I crave my perfumes and when I just put them in the drawer and I don't want to do anything with them anymore. And then I again go back and sniff, and it induces so many memories and associations. Especially if you have great imagination, you can actually program certain scents and tastes to memories, to pleasant emotions, and connecting with having some material things connecting you with the non-material things is really cool, I think. So now I have this much of mango left, and I'll just put the bowl here. I will just squeeze it. Could be a great ASMR video. So I just manually remove the flesh. So you see, this juice is super important here. Sometimes mango you get at the store, they might be firm, they might be not ripe, and this will not be possible really. But if you buy a really great and ripe mango, I always joke like they sometimes pick the fruits and vegetables that they sell at the stores at the stage of a flower. So they just pick them, they become fruits somehow in the truck that they use to carry them over to the store, to the retailers. So now we've got all this mango here. Now the last step is avocado. And I'm just cutting it in half. And also, this salad is for such lazy people, for lazy people as I am. So we're taking half of avocado and we just squeeze it out of its skin. I washed it thoroughly, so don't worry. I wash everything with soap, typically. So we're taking this out, and I'm taking the flesh. So here's how it goes. Now I'll wash my hands again. And now let's dress our salad. So we will take pumpkin seeds, and here's how it all looks. I'm adding a bunch of pumpkin seeds. I eat tremendous amounts of them, and they contain a lot of zinc. And if you have pets, of course, you should feed your pets with pumpkin seeds and eat them yourself to prevent unwanted guests in your body. So you see, I don't know if you can see there, I have 2 packs of pumpkin seeds. I buy them a lot. I go through 2 of them in a week. So then I will add a little bit of salt. This is sea salt, as coarse as possible. And I will add some olive oil. Olive oil and avocado, I think you bring everything together. You need to mix the salad really well to actually make this coated feel, such that everything feels joined and connected in this meal. So let's proceed. Vinegar, it's apple cider vinegar. It's almost a monopoly if you like bread. So I'm pouring apple cider vinegar. What's interesting, if you have the answer to this, if I eat something with, let's say, wine vinegar, my teeth become more sensitive. It etches the skin, everything. If I eat something with apple cider vinegar, there's no unwanted effects. There's no elevated sensitivity of teeth or irritation on the skin. However, I checked, the pH of those is the same, so they have the same acidity. So there's something about apple cider vinegar that makes it less aggressive on teeth and skin. If you know why, please leave your comment below. I have no idea, but I suspect that it might be something with some possible, maybe some protein, something binding, I don't know, something protective exists in it. So now I'm adding some hot pepper, and up to you how much you want. And let's mix this salad. So this is how it looks pre-mixing. Very beautiful, right? So mix it really well and try to mash avocado. So this will go away. I'm always so impatient to try it. It's so good. It's so amazing. Just absolutely try it. Absolutely. If you're not big on vegetables and leaves, give this a shot. This might change your opinion on this. Because onions, sweet, a little bit burning sensation, juicy, crunchy, plus sweetness from mango, then a little bit of coating feeling, some soothing sensation from avocado, from oils, and then crunch of the pumpkin seed. I don't know how you can possibly not like it. I just don't know. So I'm stirring it really well. And let's for this, I would usually eat it out of this bowl, but for the sake of the video, let's just serve it beautifully on the plate. For example, I have those funny plates, and I'll just serve it here. This is like what would it be called? Sample portion.